This song is loosely based off Time in a Bottle. It's very simple to play. Here's middle C. We're playing a D minor chord at the bottom. We keep our thumb and our baby finger in place on A and F. And our melody line goes. So our bass has a melody line. Okay. So we go, do that shape, then do the melody, and then the outside fingers stay where they are. You move from your second finger to your third finger to third finger again, third finger, and then we drop down. So the last one, we were here, we move our baby finger down one, and our middle finger two up from that, just like that. So we can play. Just practice that. Difficult to play together until you get the hang of it. That's a good way to start. If your left hand leaves out some notes, it really doesn't matter, we're improvising. Then we can take it to the next level. Okay. You can use your pedal to sustain the notes. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Good. Right hand. Right hand can play anything that you think that sounds good with it.